How to send a text message to email on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media with other iPhone users via iMessage or with non-Apple devices via SMS or MMS. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page. You can view all your messages over here. Open any message from here. Tap and hold the text you want to share from here. Then, tap on More. Now, tap on the share icon at the bottom right corner. Here, type in the email of the person you want to send this text to. And then, tap on Send. Alternatively, long press and copy the text from here. Then, go back and open up the Mail application. Here, tap on the new message icon at the bottom right. Type in the email of the person you want to send the text to. And then, paste the text in the message box to send it. Following these steps, you can easily send a text message to email on iPhone.